Code of Criminal Procedure, CrPC, Key Sections, Point-Wise Summary. Section 47 Subsection 1, Polite Entry with Permission. If a criminal is hiding. If the owner permits, the police conduct the search. Subsection 2, Forced Entry. Summary. Subsection 1 relies on consent, while Subsection 2 permits forced entry. Short formula, 91 to 93 and 97 link it with PCM where P is police, C is court and M is magistrate. Section 91. A court or police officer can issue a summons or written order to produce documents or objects. Section 93. A court can issue a search warrant if it believes the required documents or objects will not be willingly produced. Section 97. A magistrate can issue a search warrant to rescue a person confined in a manner that constitutes an offense. Section 98. Provisions for the restoration of an abducted woman or female child under 18 years of age. Section 99 provides directions and guidelines for issuing search warrants. Section 100. General provisions for search and seizure, ensuring independent witnesses. Section 103. A magistrate can order a search to be conducted in their presence if authorized to issue a search warrant for the location. Example: a magistrate suspects illegal weapons in a house and supervises the search personally to ensure legality and fairness. Section 165. Police can search without a warrant if they believe evidence may be destroyed due to delay. The officer must record reasons, describe the object, and conduct the search immediately or delegate it via a written order. Example: police search a shop for a stolen mobile phone without a warrant to prevent evidence destruction. A report is sent to the magistrate, and the shop owner receives a copy of the search documents. Section 166 restricts unauthorized police officers from conducting searches without a warrant. Summary. Sections 165 and 166 ensure urgent searches while maintaining checks on unauthorized actions.